Guys, we're gonna start some flowers. Check out this lavender. Beautiful. Does well in the desert. Both of these like heat, full sun. Should give me a nice little cover underneath this bamboo. And I also got some sunflowers coming in. Those are coming up really fast. I mean, if you can grow sunflowers, those things come back. They'll seed themselves. They come up in places where I don't even know how they got there. I'm sure it's the birds. Pollinators love them. They can be sacrificial plants to attract a bunch of things that are gonna kill everything. I can't remember the one on the right. Marigolds, man. If you're in Vegas, please get marigolds. Like, they do so well here. They also are beneficial because they have like multiple uses. This bed is looking really good. That kale's about done. Beets are coming in, nice and juicy looking. Got it. I just put another marigold over there. I'm just trying to diversify a little bit. That lettuce has seen better days. I always wonder about competition. See, this is why I don't do vegetables as much. Trees are straightforward. I don't even know what the heck this is. I think it's a weed I let end up going. I thought it was something I planted, but it hasn't borne or borne any fruit. So I'm probably just gonna take that guy out. But back over here to the area that matters. Marigolds. Actually, this is seeding. It's okay, I'll let it seed. I'll let it turn into little flowers. Bees will love it. Then I can turn it into compost. I'll gather the seeds, plant more next year. What was I saying? Looks like we got a little sunflower over here. Things just growing. I think I want to get some sort of flowering trellis climber. If you guys have any suggestions, let me know. But I'm really going to start diversifying this portfolio. But marigolds can deter aphids, nematodes, like all sorts of things. And pollinators love them. I don't think I need to be too specific with this, but you see me do raised beds. Rocks on the bottom and then cardboard and paper. Bugs love to live in that. Got random logs all around my property, so adding them as well. They don't break down fast. I'll have things in here that can eat that, turn it into organic food. It's a great way to fill raised beds. But I think this would be a nice little flower area. One big pollination heaven. I really don't know what I should put in here. Alright, that's what we're looking like. Get this mixed in through the top. I'm thinking wild flowers. This is super well draining. It's 50% the soil I make, 50% rejuvenate from VeraGrow. So I am expecting this to sink a little bit. If you guys have any suggestions on flowers, let me know. But this would be a really pretty sunflower, wildflower area maybe. Research! So I decided to do another layer of my own soil on top. You know, you forget about some things. Regular soil breaks down. That causes the soil level to drop. If I did put a tree over here that can coexist, that tree will go shorter and shorter, and then eventually, sure, I could add soil, but I can't add soil underneath the tree. So all that's going to happen is you have more soil up and up the trunk of the tree, right? So this soil is actually a soilless soil. It's mineral based. I guess mineral based soil is what you might want to call it. And the thing is, with this soil, it lasts, right? It doesn't break down, so it'll be here forever. So you don't have to worry about drop as much. It'll drop a little bit once you get water in there and everything settles, but it's not going to drop year to year to year. It's cheaper, tons cheaper buying from VeraGrow, the Rejuvenate. But if you think about it, this doesn't break down. This is a one-time purchase with this sort of soil. At this point, it's just minimal. This is almost 3/4 my soil with 1/4 Rejuvenate. I mean, there's still tons of beneficial properties from Rejuvenate. I should just put the Rejuvenate at the top, and I should have put this more at the bottom so that it has that foundation. We live and we learn, right? Alright, and this is what I have. I think this should be a good mixture. Get some long things, some flowering things. Pole beans can grow up like these sunflowers. Mammoth. And butterflies love this, I've heard. I've heard this